Listen. Ooh, I love the sound of dehydrated onions. Let's do this. Let's chop those onions, peel them, chop them, keep them about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, nice and consistent so they'll dry evenly. Here we go. We've got a lot of onions to get through. And oh yeah, that's a nice pile. Let's split them and put them on our dehydrator trays. Notice we've got pretty much a single layer with a little bit of overlap, ready to go. Let's take this outside because boy, oh boy, this is smelly. In the trays go and set that dehydrator for 155. It's going to take about 6 to 8 hours. At 6 hours, I'm going to take a look and yep, look at that. Still some moisture in there. You can see that it's moist. Time to put them back in, turn your trays and put them in a different spot in the dehydrator and let them go a little longer. Finally, they're done. Let's take them inside. Listen. Oh yeah, yep. Nice break. I like the sounds of that. Crispy, crunchy, crumbly and brittle. Perfect. Ready to put in our jars. First, I'm going to put them all in a bowl and then put them in a jar. Notice how I'm not breaking them up into small pieces because bigger pieces will retain their flavor better and longer. And the jar is completely full so that there's as little airspace as possible. Perfect. Ready to go. I can crumble them and add them to wet recipes, or I can rehydrate them by using 2 parts hot water to 1 part onion. Let them sit for about 30 minutes and they're ready to go. Ready to use in any recipe. There they go. Nobody will ever know we're using dehydrated onions.